Aloha, I'm Bobby Burns and welcome to the Kauai Community College Aquaponics Garden. Today we're going to be talking about aquaponics design systems. I didn't design or build this system. I've been working here 6 months and I have some problems aquaponically, if you will. Right now our system has 4 500-gallon fish tanks, which means I could have up to 600 fish total. I have a biofilter filled with volcanic cinder, but it's only 7-inch diameter, 7 feet in diameter, and 12 inches high. And I go 1 inch from the bottom and 1 inch from the top, so I really only have about 9 to 10 inches of actual space. I'm using a used siphon, and that's where one of my problems is in ciphering the water and eliminating the poo. And then from there we use the Virgin Island system. It's kind of a hybrid between 2 systems, the volcanic cinder and the degassing chambers. But I have 2 2-foot by 4-foot, 4 feet long degassing chambers. And we have some netting material in there, and the theory is to catch the poo. And you know, aquaponics been around 1,000 years, and one of the main problems is what do you do with all that fish poo? And in a 2,000-gallon system, and I could have up to 600 fish, we're talking a lot of fish poo, a lot of waste, but also a lot of nutrients. And with that system, I only have 2 4-foot by 48 feet, 14 inches deep of my flow beds, my grow beds, and we're using the raft system on that. And I'm producing relatively about 180 to 200 heads of lettuce per week. But I implement that with, I use worm composting tea. And we use natural farming and permaculture techniques here to make everything grow. So those are some of the troubleshooting problems I'm having. So I thought, you know, I came up with a solution of what I thought was a good solution. But I figured, hey, I've had this great opportunity to put it on film. And aquaponics is a brand new industry, and a lot of people are looking to take from the residential to the commercial side of it. That's what we're doing here. We're teaching aquaponics for profit workshops, and then I have this idea for an aquaponics internship. I just got my first apprentice started working with me, and we want to do an aquaponics for charity. We think aquaponics could really change how the grocery store or the farmer's market is approached every week. But right now I got to come over some engineering design flaws, and that main flaw and that main problem is, how do I capture all that poo? So I'm looking into a bell siphon with perhaps if they have, I haven't seen it yet, but I'm thinking, do they have a bell siphon that has a swirl, like the swirl filter? I've seen some of that in the Philippines and Thailand. So I thought I'd put my problems out there, come up with my solution, and then see what kind of feedback I got. Just throw it out on the aquaponics on YouTube and see what kind of ideas are out there and who's thinking what, where, and how.